Hi, I'm Susan, and I hope you're doing great today. I am making a Mexican tortilla casserole, or what some of the Southerners call a Mexican tortilla casserole. And this is a easy recipe that is a request for my family. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to need some flour tortillas. This is the soft taco size. You can use a burrito size. It doesn't matter. You want to do it in layers. This is a layered casserole, so whatever works for you. And I've got about 2 to 3 pounds of ground beef that's been cooked and drained. And I always cook mine with onions and garlic, and then of course salt, pepper. This is a very forgiving casserole, so whatever you have on hand, like the amounts, just make it work for you. You'll need 1 can of light Rotel tomatoes, the diced with the chili. You'll need a can of cream of chicken soup, a can of cheddar cheese soup, and if I had it, I would have used the Fiesta. It gives it a little bit more spice. You need a cup of sour cream, a pack of taco seasoning. I just use I make my own taco seasoning, and as much cheese as you want. You'll want to spray your 9x13 baking dish. To your meat, you'll add everything except your cheese and tortillas and mix it well. Now to your sprayed baking dish, you'll put down a layer of your tortillas, and then you'll put half of your meat mixture over the top. Now put another layer of tortillas over your meat mixture and about half of your cheese on top of the tortillas. Now go back to your meat, add the rest of it on top of this, then top with tortillas and cheese again. Now you want to bake it for about 20 to 30 minutes until your cheese is melted and it's bubbly. This casserole tastes so good. I highly recommend you give it a try. So until next time, bye y'all.